Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can highlight a area within your video in Davinci Resolve. So let's get right into it. Now, firstly, I'm going to go to the edit page, and let's say I want to highlight this here can or bottle, wherever it is, next to this tree. And what I'm going to do is go into effects, go into generators, and click on solid color, select it, and just drag it over your video and select the part of the video which you want to be highlighted, or the length that you want it to be highlighted, let's say there. And now what I'm going to do is click on solid color, go into generator under inspector, select a highlight color which I like, for example this neon green. Just click on that, then go into settings, then I'm going to go into composite and just lower the opacity so it's like this. And now you can go into transform and modify the position, go into cropping, modify the size, but I'm just going to click on solid color, click here, select crop to actually crop it, and now I can crop it manually without the need to modify those numbers or sliders, and this is just an easier way to do it. Now as you can see, you can do it like so, and now that area is highlighted. But as you can see, when I play the video, the highlight stays in the same area. So I'm just going to add a few keyframes just so it follows that actual bottle. So I'm going to go into position, into transform, and under position just click the diamond once it's in position. Then I'm going to go into a further point of the video, then I'm going to go and transform and modify the position of the actual, or actually not into transform, I'm just going to modify it like this, and as you can see, highlight the bottle again. Then I'm going to go further and I'm going to highlight the bottle again, and every time I move the highlight, it's gonna automatically create a new keyframe, so you don't have to keep pressing the actual diamond shape again and again. But let's say there, then switch the position again, go into here, switch the position again, go into here, switch the position again, and so on until it goes out of frame. And as you can see, about here it is out of frame, and then I'm just gonna go and make it follow it out of frame like so, and that should keep it at that position. And as you can see, I don't need to shorten it because it's already off screen. So if I just go back to the beginning and play it, as you can see, that green box is following that bottle and it's staying in pretty much the same position over it. Now you can go into more detail and make it look better than I did, since as you can see it's bouncing around a bit, it's not very smooth, but it is doing exactly its job. And that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.